Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Cortana, which is the digital assistant available for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, as many of you may know, just to give you a heads up that Microsoft has recently announced that support for Cortana, the actual app for Windows 10 and Windows 11, is going to be coming to an end later this year. And I actually did mention this in a previous video where I thought Microsoft would be so-called pulling the plug on Cortana in Windows 10 and Windows 11 in the near future. Now, this obviously now is made official by Microsoft, where they have said that later this year, that's late this year in 2023, although they haven't given an exact date and time, they do say later this year they will be ending support for Cortana. Now, in that support document where Microsoft made the announcement, they do give us a little bit more info if you would be interested and are using the Cortana Assistant app. And I'm quoting, Microsoft says, "We are making some changes to Windows that will impact users of the Cortana app. Starting in late 2023, we will no longer support Cortana in Windows as a standalone app. However, you can still access powerful productivity features in Windows and Edge, which have increased AR capabilities. This means you can still get help with your tasks, calendar and email, but in new and exciting ways. This change only impacts Cortana in Windows, and your productivity assistant, Cortana, will continue to be available in Outlook Mobile, Teams Mobile, Microsoft Teams Display, and Microsoft Teams Room." So at this stage, they are only ending support for Cortana, the actual app, in Windows and on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, something else just to take note of, Microsoft say, which I have mentioned previously, they are starting to move away from the digital assistants like Cortana for various reasons. Obviously, they are now concentrating on artificial intelligence, so AI assistants like Bing Chat, which already to some degree or other is starting to make its way into Windows 11, where we get these shortcuts now in the actual search box. And if we click on search, we get another shortcut at the top right, which point us now to the new Bing and the new Bing Chat and directly in Microsoft Edge. That's one way they are moving away already from Cortana. And another way is with the Windows Copilot, which, as I've mentioned in a previous video, will basically be a souped up version of Cortana. And I'll leave a link to the Windows Copilot video I did post previously, as that will give you a lot more info. And also they are moving more towards Microsoft 365 Copilot for Office and so on. So these are all recent announcements that Microsoft has made, where they will be now moving away from Cortana and replacing the so-called digital assistant with more AR assistants, artificial intelligent assistants like Bing Chat, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and Windows Copilot. And something else to take note of is that the new Windows Copilot will be able to do most of what the Cortana app can do, plus more. So as mentioned, Copilot will be a souped up version of Cortana. So it's really making Cortana obsolete with the new AI intelligence features that are coming out. And while we are talking about Cortana, I did a video very early when I started this channel. It's actually one of my first videos. So if you are still wanting to use Cortana and it's not available in your region and you cannot use Cortana because for whatever reason it's not supported in your region, until support does end for Cortana, I'll leave a link to a video I did post very early when I started this channel on how you can use and enable Cortana if it is not available in your region, which has been very helpful to a lot of users. So you might find that interesting. But nonetheless, just letting you know that the so-called days of the Cortana app for Windows 10 and Windows 11 will be coming to an end sometime late in 2023. And if any more info does become available and Microsoft does give us an exact date, I will obviously post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.